Hello guys, welcome back to AI Pending, where we utilize the power of AI. I have been away for a while, but I am back. And finally, I am revealing my face to you guys. So this is the guy behind AI Pending. Today's video is exciting because, this is something that I've been looking for a long time. I've always had ideas, but I don't know how to create these ideas, wild ideas I've got in my mind. But now I've got tools that can actually create it. Whether you want to create a SaaS project or your own AI startup, and I will show you guys what I've made so far with this tool. So let me introduce you guys to Base 44. I have no idea how I came across this app, but somehow I did, and it's been a life changing. Literally, I've been addicted to it. So you have your text box here where you can type in whatever you want to create. Again, I'll go through it later with you guys. I just quickly scroll down. Yeah, that's it there. I'll make sure I leave the description, the link in the description for you guys to check it out. So let's start building. Let me quickly show you guys one of the apps that I've created. Right, so this is Persona AI that I've created. This is my own SaaS project that I've been working on, and this is going to go to market very soon. I'll make sure I leave the link in the description for this one as well for you guys to have a look, to play around with it, and let me know any feedback that you might have for it. So Persona AI is basically where businesses or marketers can go to and create their ideal persona or their ideal customers. And then, but the selling point is they can then speak to these personas and ask them questions. And with this question, they can use those questions that they get to generate a strategy, let's say marketing strategy or advertisement strategy, whatever you want to create. So I'll quickly go through it here. You can see this is my dashboard. Everything that you see on here has been created using this Base 44. You can see strategy hub. I can see one activity due. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for you guys to check it out. And then you can upgrade. You can choose what tier that you want. You got generate, where you put your business details. And then chat, this is where you can chat to individual personas, or you can do a group chat where you can select multiple people to ask questions about your business so they can give you an answers. And as I said, based on these answers, then you can use these answers to generate a business strategy. Again, this one is a conversation. So how it works, I ask the question, and then they all reply, and then the insights will put everything into summary so you can easily digest them. And here you have the gallery where you have the list of all your personas that you've created, many more. And then here's a strategy board. Again, list, calendar, analytics. It's a whole lot. You can actually plan, your next plan, your action as well onto your own calendar, which is amazing, really. And all this is just from one simple idea that I started with, just a simple prompt, and to actually have an app that is actually working. Again, you see here. All right. So if I go back home, back to the workspace, because I want to create something live for you guys. So I've had this idea for one of my 3D CAD design website where I usually offer people a CAD design service. But I wanted to change that up a little bit. I wanted to do something different with it. So again, I can just put it on here to say create something related to 3D CAD designs. But what I've done instead, I have gone to ChatGPT and actually created something, something unique with ChatGPT. Again, you don't need ChatGPT to make this work, but I'm just using this for this video. So I'll copy all my instructions here, and then I'll come to Base 45 and I'll paste everything here. That's all you need to do. Just describe your ideas. That's all you need to do. Describe it and then press go. And then now the AI is going to start creating the app for us based on based on our instructions. So while this is creating that, let me just quickly show you some of this things that you can do with it as well. Base 44. I just want to show you, because you have different options. You have integration, if I can say the word, integrations. I believe that's the word, where you can actually integrate some of these apps into your own applications. You got eToro, Monday.com, Bright Data. I'm actually using Bright Data to create some of my personas, because persona. So that way you can actually get an authentic persona that is actually driven by data. And then you have Twitter, you have Claude, Resend for sending emails, and many other things that you can integrate with your app that you're creating. And also they have templates that you can use. You can copy other people's template that's already been created. You can clone their ideas to create yours. And I'm telling you, it's just, once you get started, what you can create is, it's amazing. I'm losing my words here because I don't know how to describe, this app. It's a mind-changing app. This is some of my ideas. Let me go into this one. I've been working on this one for a bit now. It's a giveaway competition website. It's going to be based in Nigeria. Again, I just quickly go through it here. See, all this has been created using this base 44. You can see it here. You can enter different competition. So let's say I wanted to enter this competition here. Let's say this one, enter. Again, the page will load. I can choose how many ticket that I want to buy. And then I can answer the question, what is the capital of Nigeria, which is Abuja. So I press add to cart. That's 11 tickets there. Then I can go back to my cart. And as I say, right, instead of me paying for it, I have a wallet. I have 64,000 naira that I can use. So I can just say use my wallet instead. I can complete purchase. And then the system will just allocate my tickets, and that's it. And all of this has been created using this app here. It's crazy. It's just mind-blowing. But yeah, let's go back to our creation here. It's still creating. As you can see from the left-hand side, so looking at the design, it's breaking it into different sections, so you can create a nice, editing the design. It's creating the homepage, the layout, how it will look, how everything will feel. It's the whole lot. And on this here as well, let me just share some of the stuff that you can do. You have option to discuss. When you press discuss, you can ask the question without it actually, what's the word? You can discuss your ideas first before you actually implement it into your backend or into your codes or however you want to say it. Again, so I'll just wait for this to actually finish creating so we can have a look at it, and then we can start editing some of this app. But going back to my other app, let's go to Persona AI while this is loading, just to show you some of the stuff that you can do in terms of the backend. You can activate your backend, so you can create a backend. You can have an API keys. At the moment, I'm using Resend API keys and Bright Data API, as well as Stripe API as well for payments on this app. You can edit with visual. So if I go onto my app, and then if I click visual edit, so I can select specific area. Let's say this area here. Then I can ask what I want to change. I'll just type in a prompt. I'm not going to do that right now. I just tell it what I want to change and then press enter. And then it's just going to work on this area alone, which is great, right? It's amazing. So let me just go back to our app. To where we at, editing profile management component. And all this is just costing me 1 credit, just 1 credit to create all of this that I'm creating right now. So the best way to make sure you utilize your credits well is by already creating a plan of what you want to create. Once you create that plan, then you can just input your plan into the chat section to actually create your app. So let me see here. You can see my credit. I've got 250. I've already used almost 200 credit already. That's just because I'm just excited about these tools, and it's just the amount of stuff that you can create with it. Your creativities and your ideas. Before, when I want to create something, I have to think about how to actually make it work. But now I can just type in there and say, right, okay, this is what I want to create, and it just does it. It just does it. It seems like magic. But yeah, I'm just see where we at now. Insert designer records. Yeah, it's creating a whole lot of stuff. And then once we've created the front end of it, then we're going to activate the back end where we can actually start creating other data. Again, let's go into this one here so I can show you my dashboard. So you have your users, you have data, you know, all the stuff here. I can track the conversation, I can track the strategy, analytics, domain. You can buy your own domain or you can connect your domain to it as well. It's very straightforward to do. Again, in another video, I'll probably go for details. And also make sure you follow me on this journey to make this app, profitable, this Persona AI that I'm working on. Right, there we are. This is it. We've got something. How long did that take? I don't even know. But yes, I don't even know where to start. It's just, there's something exciting when, you create something, you don't know what to expect. But here we are, local designs, premium designer network, designer map. So I can see, okay, I think what I can do later. Oh, so you can click. Even I don't even know what I've created, but I'm liking it. So what I would do later, I'll probably try and integrate Google Map onto this, so that way the people can see their local designer in that area. So now people can come onto the website, look at it, say, okay, how much they're charging, and then they can book a meeting. And something I wanted to make unique about this website, I didn't want it to make it like Upwork or Fiverr where you can just hire a designer and you don't get to speak to them. This is about local connection, connecting with the locals. Where you have an idea is someone that you can actually meet in person and speak about your ideas in a passionate way and actually create something amazing. So I'm liking this so far. Yeah, how much they're charging. You can book a meeting. Wow. So just put in your name, emails, urgency, description of what you're trying to create, book a meeting, and then obviously I think what's going to happen then is the notification is going to go to the actual designer. So let's go to designer dashboard. All right, so we got profile fill. So this is my dashboard here, as you can see. Okay, you can add skills and specialities. Okay, right, book meetings. Okay. Oh, you even have this bit here. Wow. All right, this is already a product that is ready to, you can probably launch this already, but probably still need a bit of work here and there. But let's go to dashboard. And what I want to do is go to, is it date usual? No, I want to activate the back end of this website. So settings, that's the one, settings. So I want to activate the back end. So I just click activate. So that way I can start creating a more robust, site or app that has all the right details in a way. Because even I don't even know what I'm trying to create at this moment. But again, it's just the creativity of it where you can just keep asking questions and being curious about what you want and just asking. Yeah, so that's activated. That's okay. And also, if you wish to publish your app templates so everyone else can copy it, you can do that as well. And you can clone the app, can create a clone of it so you can have multiple apps. So let's say you have a business where you're creating websites for people, so you can create multiple of this and just sell it to people. It's that easy. All right, designer map, main page. Okay, I like it. The domain, analytics, overview. Perfect. Let's go back to view. It's loading. I'll probably tell it to find a way to make it a lot faster. Right, here we are. Filter. How does that work? You can do region. You can do the type of designers that you want as well. You can do professionals. You can do students. You can do this available region. I'll probably change this to the UK because I'm based in the UK. Specialities. Perfect. So claim your region, and that's one of the things I was working on. It's so designers can come and then they can claim their region. As you can see, when I click on it, it doesn't work at the moment. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to say, can you create, let's say, claim the region. Section. Can you create the claim the region section? So I'll make it simple and just press enter. And then now it's gonna start analyzing it. Let's just wait for it. It should start loading very shortly. Again, I'll make sure I leave the link to check out this app in the description. So make sure you check it out, guys. Yep, there we go. To claim the region section. Oh, all right. Okay, I'm on discussion mode. That's fine. That's okay. And also, just one thing, when you're in the discussion mode, it doesn't charge you that much credit. I think it charges you 0.3. But if you're actually creating a design or editing something, then that's going to be one message. So what I would do, I'll click away from discussion, and I'll say, can you implement our let's do our discussion. Yeah, and I press enter. So now it's thinking, and then now it's going to start creating our claim your region, where I think what I've got in mind is they can enter the area, when they're available, and all this different information. Again, I can brainstorm ideas with it by going to discuss and think about how to make it more interesting and more user friendly. So it's creating it now. I'm gonna wrap up this video very soon. I just wanted to showcase this website to you guys, just to see what it can do, and I want you guys to check it out and start using it yourself. So let's wait for this. Again, I will be creating more videos on this specific website or app that I'm creating right now. I'm going to link a domain name to it, so it's actually live, so you can actually visit it and test it out. And also, while I'm here, there's something I want to show you guys. If you want people to check out your design, if you go into dashboard, you can change whether you want it to be private or public no login. So all you need to do is copy the link, and then if I open another tab and I'll paste my link here. So if I paste my link, it's going to ask me to log in because that's what I've requested for. So if I log in, let's just use one of these logins here, and then voila. So I'm able to access this website from another user perspective, so you can test it out to see how it works on the normal user. So you can test it out on the normal user compared to AdMe account. So let's just go back here. Let's see where we are. Preview. All right, still loading. So it's creating all the section for me now. So that's taken 2 minutes. Again, how long has this taken us so far? I think we've been able to create this design in about less than 10 minutes, which is crazy. You have to you need to learn how to build, back end and front end to create this sort of idea. So just waiting. Right, created a comprehensive claiming region. Okay, so now I'm just waiting for it to finish completely. Then I will try clicking on this to see if that works. And also, let's say you're testing out your app, and then sometimes it might throw up an error, let's say 505 error or 504, and you can press resolve without charging you any credit. So it's going to do that for free anytime the website hits any errors. It's going to just edit it free of charge. Maybe if we get lucky, we might be able to see one of those here when I start testing it out completely. So let's just wait for it. Yeah, nice reloading. Let's see now, claim your region. Right, as you can see, that doesn't work at the moment. So what I'm just gonna say, okay, claim your region button doesn't work. Can you fix this? You know what I would do? Just to narrow it down, I'm just gonna do this bit here. Gonna select that. Right, and enter. So now, you know, the app knows exactly what I want to do and what area that I'm looking at. So I'm saying, claim your region button doesn't work. Can you fix this? Simple as. And then we're just going to wait. Of course, I'll fix the claim your button in the sidebar. Now it's fully functional. So let's go and see. Let's wait for it to finish and then we'll try it out. Okay, let's give it a minute. Now it's reloading. Let's test it out. Claim. Boom. So we've got something, right? And you've got different region here that you can claim. See? It's just amazing. Sometimes, you know, it just does some stuff that I don't even know how they have done it, but it's done it anyways. This is crazy. So claim this region. You have to pay to claim that region. What I can do later, I bring in Stripe payment or a subscription, whatever, put it in there so people can pay to start claiming their region. So any job that comes in that region just comes to them. And this is limited, so the regions are limited. You know, I might limit to 7 designers per region. Let's say, for an example, let's say London, I might just have 5 designers based in London. So any job that comes in London is going to go to these 5 people. But that's the ideas that I'm thinking about, as you can see. And then what I can do later as well, in terms of monetizing this, I can, you know, advertise this area for people to join, to say, right, okay, hotspots, you know, how many jobs is coming in that area, claim it now, so people can join it. It's mind-blowing what you can do. Before, if I wanted to create something like this, that would probably take me a long time. But yeah, again, I don't want to make this video too long. I will be making more follow-up videos for you guys. Just stay tuned for my next videos, how I'm going to take these ideas into, you know, into a money-making beast. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next. Before I catch you on the next video, let's quickly go back on here to see. As you can see, it wasn't working, so let's reload so I can test it. Now it's updated. I can claim my region. Voila, it's working on that section as well. Perfect. I like that. This is good. I like it. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Make sure you check out the app below. I've left the link in the description. Make sure you check it out, guys. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.